Let's see how to create projects created with Cype programs in an easy and practical way. With just a few steps, we can generate a link to our project to send it to whoever we want. The first thing we need to do is to open our project in any Cype tool. No matter which one we are using, the process is the same in all of them. We go to the top left menu and click on File. This is one of the first options we see. From the File menu, we select the Share option. When we do this, the program starts compressing the file. The system asks us to assign a name to the file. We can also add a short description if desired. This helps to identify the project more clearly. Once the configuration is complete, the program generates a compressed file with a Cype extension, which is the standard format for sharing Cype projects. Now the system creates a link to our compressed file. We can open this link in a new window or copy it directly to share it by mail or any other way. Using this feature has many advantages. We can make sure that no additional files are missing, reduce the space taken up in our email or messaging apps, and make sharing projects as simple as sending a link. This is how easy it is to share your projects with Cype tools. Get started and share your projects effortlessly.